Let me show you 3 different ways how to take a screenshot on your Samsung S26 Ultra and S26. Also, I will show you how to edit them and also where are the screenshots located as well. So the first way is you can simply hold the power plus volume down button on your phone at the same time. So click them and you see the screenshot will get taken here. So again, the power plus volume down, click, and you see screenshot gets taken. Then also, if you swipe down here from your phone, you can add the screenshot button here. So click this pencil thing first, click add control, and so you see you have a screenshot button here, click. Also, for example, you can even expand it if you want to see what it is, click done, and you see it over here. Then, for example, if you are anywhere, so if you basically do not have like a way how to press these buttons very good, so you simply like swipe down here and you see you can click take screenshot and a screenshot also gets taken here. And the last method is we can also use this part of our hand and simply swipe across our screen. That also will take screenshot. So check this. So see again only this part, so swiped across around this area of the screen. So like this, and you see also a screenshot gets taken. Let me show again. For example, let's go over here again, swipe, so you see screenshot gets taken. Also, if you want to edit the screenshot, so again simply take a screenshot and you see you have for example like different editing options here. For example, you can draw something on it and then also you can share it with someone as well. For example, you see through email, WhatsApp, or whatever you want to. Also, if you want to take a screenshot of a whole web page, for example, like a scrolling, so you see, if you take a screenshot regularly, it only will cover this area. But if you want to take more, so again, you simply take a screenshot and you see you have this button appearing here now. So again, in any page that supports, you will see the button. You can keep clicking it and it will expand the screenshot even more. And once satisfied, so you can either wait or click on the screenshot and you can open it up. So you see how cool this is. Okay, so and then also if you're wondering where are the screenshots located at, so they are in your gallery. If you go over here, so in the albums section here, you will see this category for the screenshots here. So you see, for example, you can see all the screenshots I have taken here. Okay, good luck.